Hi, dear students. Our topic for today is differential cost analysis or applications of differential cost analysis. We already discussed about meaning, concept, characteristics, and features of differential cost analysis. And we also discussed about differences between marginal costing and differential cost analysis. Our topic for today it is applications of. There are various applications of various uses of differential cost analysis. So few techniques or few applications will be discussed. So the first application will be discussed in today's topic. So it is determination of the most profitable level of production and price. It is a crucial situation the production manager or the company may face. There may be different situations or different alternative level of production the company can be produced. So at what level company can make maximum profit? What the optimal level of production and what the price or what the selling price which to be offered for the sale or which to be fixed for the product. So that can be decided with the help of differential cost analysis method. So here differential cost analysis helps to find most profitable level of production and the selling price at various levels of activity. Estimated revenue and expenditure at different levels is calculated, and differential revenue and the differential cost also calculated. As long as the differential revenue is more than differential cost, the level of production is increased. So this is the base of differential cost analysis. Up to the level when there is an increase over up to which level differential revenue will be more than differential cost. So to that level can production can be maintained. So the one only the condition it is differential revenue must be more than differential cost. So let us check how to calculate or how to find this type of solutions or this type of situations. So this is the first application, determination of the most profitable level of production. So then we will discuss about one illustration with regards to this application. So modern sewing machine company manufactures hand operated sewing machines. Prepare a schedule showing differential cost and incremental revenue at each stage from the following data. At what volume the company should set its level of production. So one tablet is given here. In the first column, it is the level of output. These are the different stages of level of output which company can produce their product. 60,000 unit or 1,20,000 unit or 1,80,000. The company has the capacity to produce up to 3,60,000 unit. But which level of output or which level will provide the maximum benefit to the company? The company should decide it. Then these are the different options of selling price the company can offer for the product. Rupees at 240, 220, 200 like that one. When the level of output increases, the per unit cost of selling prices or the selling prices can be reduced. Then these are the total cost. Semi-fixed cost at this level. When the company produces 60,000 unit, the semi-fixed cost will be 30 lakh. So just like that. Then total variable cost it is given here and the total fixed cost also for the different levels of output. So these are the different levels of output and costs and selling prices at different levels of output. Then we need to find which level of output should be selected, which one it is matched, which will provide maximum benefit or profitability to the company. So let us check. So we need to apply differential costing method. So this is the about table. We already discussed it. Then let us check. We can prepare a schedule like this one. First column it is equal to the different levels of output. 60,000 unit, 1,20,000 unit, 1,80,000 like that one. Then selling price. It is also given as per the question. At first level it is 240. When it increased to 1,20,000, the company will offer the product at 220 like that. Then sales value or the revenue. It is the multiplication of both these. 60.60 into 240. So 1,44,000 rupees is the total revenue. If their production it is 1,20,000, the total revenue will be 2,64,000. All these are in lakhs. So next column it is incremental revenue. When we are increasing the level of output, what happening in our revenue? Revenue it is also increases. So that increase in the revenue due to the changes in output, due to make increase in the level of output, we call it as incremental revenue. So we increased from 60,000 to 1,20,000. So the sales will be increased from 1,44,000 to 2,64,000. That means there is an incremental revenue of 1,20,000. So just like when the level of output is increased from 1,20,000 to 1,80,000, then the sales revenue or the total sales will be increased from 2,64 to 3,60. That means there is an increase in the sales of 96,000 rupees. Incremental sales or incremental revenue. Sales isn't revenue, so incremental revenue we call it. It is increased. So in the last case, it is increased from 4,80,000 to 5,04,000. So there is an increase of only 24,000 in the last level. So this is what is incremental revenue. Then semi-fixed cost. It is as given in the table, semi-fixed cost. Then variable cost. It is also as given in the table. Then fixed cost. It is also given here. Then to the total cost. Semi-fixed plus variable plus fixed costs. Total 1,42,000. So at the level of output 60,000 unit, the total cost it is 1,42,000. When we increased level of output from 60,000 to 1,20,000, our cost will also be increased to 2,22,000. So from 1,42,000, it is increased to 2,22,000. That means there is an increase of cost. So that is differential cost or incremental cost of rupees 80,000. So when the output increased from 1,20,000 to 1,80,000, our total cost it is increased from 2,22,000 to 3,18,000. There is an increase of total cost of rupees 96,000 from the previous level. So thus, when in the next case from 1,80,000 to 2,40,000, so there is an additional increase of 60,000 cost. So the incremental cost or the increase in the cost shows a decreasing trend. From the first stage to second stage, there is an increase of 80,000, then 96,000, then 60, then 46, then 25. So this is the column of differential cost. In all the cases, it is incremental cost. From the previous stage, there is an increase in the total cost. Then the decision must be based on, so which level of output it is better, whether it is 60,000 unit or 1,20,000 unit or 1,80,000. So the decision must be based on, you want to check whether in which level or up to what level the incremental revenue or the differential revenue is more than differential cost. So you should check here. We can check here in the incremental revenue. In case of first case, it is 1,20,000 here. Here it is 80,000. So revenue is more. Then in second case, incremental revenue is 96. Differential cost it is also 96. So we can continue because it is not less. Then incremental revenue is 72 in the fourth level. Here it is 60. So revenue is more. So we can continue. Then at the 3 lakh level, the incremental revenue is 48. Then the incremental cost it is 46. So still we can continue. Then the last stage, the incremental revenue from 3 lakh to 3 lakh 60. If we are increasing from 3 lakh to 3 lakh 60,000, our incremental revenue, there is an additional incremental revenue of 24,000. 24,000. But there is an additional cost of incremental cost of 25,000. So incremental revenue is less than incremental cost. So it is not advised to opt the last stage. So you can increase the level of production up to 3 lakh unit, because up to this level incremental revenue keeps more than incremental cost. Incremental revenue and incremental cost at different levels of production prices is shown above table. Up to the level of output 3. So this is the case. 3. Incremental revenue is more than differential cost. So this column, incremental column, revenue column, it is more than the last differential incremental cost column. It is more. So it is recommended that the level of output 3 is the most profitable level of production, because up to this level incremental revenue exceeds incremental cost. So this is the application of first application of differential cost analysis. By preparing this type of statement, we can find which level of output or up to what level the company can produce their product to earn maximum profit. Okay, thank you.